Ok. Là, on est rendu à suivre la mission. On a un écho à récupérer à l'ancienne maison des tourtereaux. Qu'on n'a pas vu. Non, c'est pas la mission ici.
Love doesn't put food on the table, but you're committed to productivity,
Can't believe I got called in on my platform.
Vas-y, reprends-toi.
Stranger danger! Say password if what's in.
Spark alarm. Gorgeous.
Yes! The word right. Stranger sounds familiar, but guess that means you friend all along.
Ça ressemble vraiment au gars qu'on avait dans le bar.
Westniches can stitches. Right up. This bar, an wise for flying drink, always so close to head.
Hey, you need a drink?
Shut up, Añejo, if you've got it.
Sure. Have we met before? You seem very familiar.
No, amigo!
Regarde derrière.
Thinking of someone else.
Did you go to Danny's wedding, maybe? No, that's not it. Wait, I know who you are! Who let a Vault Hunter in here? Kill them! Kill the Vault Hunter!
Et... Bon, ne me dis pas qu'on va se faire un deuxième bord.
I hope you're proud of yourself.
Bosses always have a room in the Ritos has to
Oui,
be around
et un écho.
somewhere.
And the geezers. Still consistent. No complaints. See if you can find the new runner anyway. They're good, but, too good. That suit could take out a lot of my rippers if she turned on us. It's just not worth that kind of risk. Understood. I think I already have some leads. Good. Once their replacements are squared away, let's bring them into the fold. Wouldn't want to be wasteful.
Ugh, what a dick. Secret room behind the bar, huh? Maybe there's another bar inside.
Regarde mon coffre. Et un écho.
Thank you, good boss. Exceptional. You're a good boy. How do you feel? You hurt? No, not hurt bad. Just a little. Why don't you go ahead and get some rest? rest done, son. You earned it. I've got to take care of my rippers. You're gonna take care of me, right? Right. You are best dad, boss. Thank you. When you get back, keep your eye on your brand new sister. Looks like she's going to survive treatment. Make sure she gets a gun when she's feeling better. Okay.
So Vito cared about his rippers. That doesn't change the fact that he was playing with people's lives for his own gain. Still a dick.
Tout ce peuple-là pour un jeu. C'est pas la tune pareil. Il lui reste un écho et il est dans la maison des Don Tortoro. Oh. Oh. Mine. Kita jatuh. Kita jatuh. Woo! Ah. Okay.
No one's gonna come looking for this.
Bye bye la disco. J'aimais bien la disco. Ouais, ça va faire du bien à la vente surtout. Ah, il nous manque 10 points pour le stockage.
Scavenge some gear, huh? You didn't happen to grab any parts, did you?
Loot box.
Just in case I lose my bearings.
Ouh. Renvoie les projectiles quand le bouclier est actif. Mais I like that!
Moi, les coups au corps à corps, là, je renvoyais 10 000 de dégâts. What the... Ok. On va le prendre.
Ah ouais, monsieur s'est trouvé un 44 000. Ah ouais, ben, il y a 60 par exemple.
Tu t'es meilleur.
Bon, ben il nous reste juste l'écho à récupérer, puis on a fait la première section. C'est combien de sections au total?
J'étais à
Sur quoi?
81 000.
On se calme, monsieur.
10, 80, 90, 100, 4.
Do not fret about unbolted citizens nearby. Keep your focus on real troubles, like radiation and lack of water instead.
On va chercher notre dernier écho.
300 000 de
Non, 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 ça suffit.
Borderlands 3, mais...
Allez, Mr. Watson, descendez d'en haut, pour une fois. Il me manque 10 points et on a fini notre stockage. Bon, il est où qu'on l'a manqué aussi facilement?
Be advised, the mutagenic properties of radiation have been widely exaggerated.
Mais on est con?
C'est ça, toi.
On est con?
Susie, would you love me if I was a thresher worm?
What are you talking about, Joey?
It's a thing the kids are doing. I don't know. Seemed fun.
Well, you need a place to stay. I think I'd keep you away from the roses since you always pricked yourself on them. Wait, in this scenario, were you ever a human? Doesn't matter. You'd find a way to prick yourself anyway. Now, after you get settled, I deal with those birds. Don't want them snatching you up. I think a heat-seeking laser mesh would work. You can come and go as you please since you'd be cold-blooded, and those birds would just need a little bit of seasoning to be ready for dinner. Might need to get you some tunnels, too. I've never fired armor-piercing rounds into the ground, but if you can take down a mech, I'm sure it can give you plenty of holes to get your squirms in. So to answer your question, of course I would, Joey. But I'd need a few weeks to prep your new habitat.
I was gonna carry you around in my pocket.
Oh, that's 'cause you know how cold I get at night. Oh, thank you, Joey. Always so thoughtful.
As opposed to more radiation than recommended, it's nothing a little soap and water can fix.
Hey, on a fini à 100% le secteur, sauf la mine. Parce que la mine.
95%. Il reste la mine.
Oui, je sais, la mine. Le problème, c'est la mine. C'est toujours la mine, le problème. Toujours. Bon, ben, on sort. Hein? Yes, sir. Ok, lead the way. Whee! Tada!
Citizens are reminded that the city's vibrant sunsets are due in part to increased radiation levels and are not to be admired in excess.
Ready?
Zadra,
No.
how will I know when I've reached this ascension place?
Oh, you'll know. It's quite the spectacle. The sole path to the Timekeeper and his vault. I helped the Timekeeper design it, back when I believed the Order aimed to help humanity, not just control it. Feels like a lifetime ago. Or I suppose for you, it was about 15 lifetimes ago.
All things in their proper place. And when some attempts
Someone tell me this other!
On a un écho. On a un qui aimerait bien faire taire.
left unchecked, it will proliferate.
Ouais, mais on va commencer par l'écho.
Nothing else remains.
Par lui, ok. On va pour lui.
Another chance to shine. Let's show them what we're made of. Soldados, straight off the assembly line.
Bon, ça monte juste extrêmement vite en fait. On a 4 waves pareils.
Give up now and we'll forget all about it.
Well, if it ain't the artificial army.
There is to all things in order to be maintained. All things in their proper place.
There's the sweet sound of victory.
Oh! Da 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 la da la da da la da da.
Everyday, normal, law-abiding, quiet citizens worry. The Order only listens to those who fall out of line. So don't
Non, j'ai cliqué trop vite. Da 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 la la, cha 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 cha, da 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 la la. Dans ton inventaire, en premier. Ouvre pas ta tête. Je crois que c'est les deux petites avec les cocornes, toi. Tu veux le nom? Ou on n'a pas le même nom en fait? Parce que c'est Yabai. Pour moi. Y-A-B-I. Je sais pas si ça se traduit dans ton jeu. Il y a des petites cocornes. J'ai des petites cocornes.
Today, as every day, Dominion maintains there are no rippers here. None. At all. Anywhere.
Tap, 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 tap. Je vais aller chercher le truc par l'intérieur par là. Au moins le localiser. Bon, finalement le localiser est pas archi compliqué. Je t'attends.
Je pense pas que c'est celle-là qui équivaut à cette fête.
T'avais pas un point d'exclamation quand il était... allé le... Non, dommage.
Je l'avais même pas dans mon inventaire. Les coffres.
Oh, un coffre à ouvrir dans ton inventaire?
Non, je l'avais.
Donc tu l'avais déjà? Donc, je suis pas tout seul à faire des trucs en avance.
All right, new guy. Search and seizure campaign rebrand. What do you got? Pitch me. Order search on your property? Follow instructions or risk death by lethal injection. No, we want them to comply, not panic. Be gentle, hold a hand. Okay. How about order search on your home or business? Staying safe is as easy as ABC. Yes. Now break it down. Digestible chunks they can't argue with. A. Act respectfully. Say, thank you, sir. B. Bandages. Keep a medkit in case of an misunderstanding. C. Clear out. Don't return for at least 3 months. End it on don't return, and I think we've got it.
Oh, une planque! Dans des restaurants! Oui!
At least give me a challenge.
That shot at any distance!
Let us be a second cataclysm!
plein de planques dans les restaurants.
That's one more step toward freedom. Glad to see those varmints
On
cleared
a pas.
out.
C'est quoi les trucs de plus?
False authority. The only counsel you need comes from a time beware.
C'est quoi les points de stockage de trous là?
Ok. Je m'attendais pas à recevoir cette
Hein?
J'ai reçu une tête pour le stockage. Vu qu'il est
Ouais.
terminé.
Tiens, tiens. Bonjour le Miraluka. Comment ça va? Donc...
Another Augur data scrubber has been captured, keeping Dominion safer for all of us.
That's a new one. On a un nouveau Echo 4 qu'on peut avoir. Dans la coque.
Non. Non.
Oui. On avait 4, on est rendu à 5.
Ah ok, je pensais que tu parlais de l'avoir débloqué. C'est pas le genre d'écho que je prendrais comme ami par exemple.
Micro. Il est fait. Il y a de la chair et tout. Est-ce que ça doit être avec le nouveau perso que...
Ah, c'est pas impossible.
Il y a une mission qui venait avec.
Que t'as fait?
Non. C'est que je l'ai
T'as pas fait?
Non.
Oh!
J'ai juste fait le démon.
Ben! On continue? Il reste une pipeuse à aller chercher.
Lost track of a loved one? Remember that ascension can happen at any time and without warning.
I can't feel the earth. I can't feel the earth. All right, Alhambra.
Hein?
Ok.
Ta machine vend un légendaire. On dirait que tes stats n'ont pas été dévoilées.
Non, non. T'as pas de bouclier. T'as juste plus 17 000 de vie, plus 880 de health regen.
Ok.
Tu pognes 33% moins de dégâts.
Moi je te dis, mets-le dans le stockage pareil.
Oh ouais.
Oui. Non, mais tu peux le faire de ton inventaire, tu le mets les comptes banque, tu ship. Ils vendent du chili, tu veux manger du chili? Reste tout de chili. Les toilettes, comment les toilettes sont l'air de luxe. Dommage. Ils vendent pas ce que moi j'aimerais manger.
There's no need to honor your ancestors. They're dead forever. While the Timekeeper is both alive and watching you always.
Bah, au moyen de la viande.
I'm making room for the good stuff I see. Can't blame you.
I don't dance. This is all I got. Away, dust.
Que dalle, j'arrive de là justement. Je suis juste allé débloquer en espérant trouver de quoi, mais sinon, que dalle. Des stands de vente, mais personne.
Let's keep it that way. Vandals, taggers, litterers, and street musicians are subject to prison time.
J'ai l'impression qu'il est à l'autre bord du mur. Il y avait un chemin ici.
You wish you could control me.
I'm not normal. I'm paranormal.
Wonderful! Time for some high caliber! Druid, frag out!
Citizens are advised to appreciate what they have, as it can be taken away at any time.
Faut avoir un truc pour détruire la porte.
Il doit être l'autre bord de la porte, je présume. Ça a l'air de ça. Ok. Est-ce que tu penses qu'il y en aurait un dans le coin? Bon, il y a un truc là, mais il a l'air d'être bloqué lui avec.
Lui, est-ce que c'est en faisant quoi que ça va...
Je te signale qu'on a toujours pas ouvert les mines depuis le début du jeu, puis on le repasse à côté. Ça m'énerve. Sais-tu ce qui serait pas comique? C'est que l'objet était en début, mais on n'en s'est juste jamais rendu compte. Non, pour les mines.
Ah, c'est Ogre Mine.
Ouais, donc, ça serait tellement pas drôle en fait que l'objet était sous notre nez depuis le début, mais on est juste passé devant.
Ah, je pense pas.
Oh, il y a une pipuche. Il y a une autre pipuche. Ne me dites pas qu'il y a un autre bar. Oh, c'est ça.
Find that with Sam at the sixth floor.
De what?
Legendary.
Quoi?
The wannabe siren.
De quoi tu te prends déjà là?
Et arrête, toi tu t'en es pris 2 one shot, fait que.
Yo! Escape room sans issue. J'aime bien le nom du lieu. J'adore le nom du lieu en fait. Il y a une capsule à ramener, sinon il y a une mission dans l'escape room. On se prend la capsule en premier ou l'escape room? J'ai l'impression qu'on pourrait se prendre la capsule en sortant. On va se faire une escape room? Ouais!
Escape room, huh? What could go wrong?
You'll be glad you did, and you won't be in prison.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Before you are 3 doors. One leads to salvation. The others lead to certain doom. Doom. Doom.
Oh, have we started? I'm used to getting a backstory or something first.
Wait, you're a Vault Hunter? Quite the specimen. Now's my chance to match wits against an elite V&D. I'll have to make sure to keep your tattoos intact.
Bueno, you're winning me over with the personalization.
Now, let's see if you're worthy of my devious genius. I suggest you look carefully for clues. Choosing poorly might give you a burning sensation.
Des brûlures.
Like a red flag on 2 legs, huh? This would be fun.
Bah, c'est la seule porte qui a pas de sang. Je crois... 1, 2 ou 3. Ah, je dis que c'est celle-là. Chercher des indices. Il y a vraiment des trucs qu'on doit trouver. C'est trouver quelque chose?
Hey, that's private. Don't listen to it. If you do, that's cheating. You don't want to be a cheater, do you? I am a genius. Huh? My traps confound everyone, even me. They're that brilliant. Anyway, in case I'm, not in the mood to solve it, the correct door is yellow.
Oh!
Ah, the yellow door. Está bien.
That's yellow?
Là, c'est pour vraiment ce que je peux m'amuser.
Congratulations. Cheater! You've proved that your feeble mind is nothing compared to mine. This next challenge will cut you right down to size. This room captures the thrill of finding a key for a box, containing a key for another box, which holds the key for... you get the idea. The question, however, is not the key, but the order.
Hey man, I've been thinking. You tell me if this was a death trap, right?
I don't know. Is it a trap if you walked into it
A
willingly?
Vault Hunter advisory has been issued.
J'ai un plan ici.
Stay away from the Vault Hunter.
Le premier, ça va être lui.
Ours for the taking.
Le deuxième, ça va être celui-là. Monstre.
Attends, qu'est-ce que tu veux dire par en ordre, ça, là?
Quatrième.
Ah, ok.
Ça va être le triangle.
Donc le premier, c'est le cercle. Il manque un indice, c'est vrai. Et là. Le dernier, c'est l'œil. Triangle et œil.
You solved it? Already? Did I forget to arm the chests? Or you got lucky. That's it.
Do you? I'm a Vault Hunter, amigo. Cracking into stuff is the entire job description.
Yes. Well, I didn't expect your expertise to be so
Maîtrisé.
Orale, you think I jump planets on gut feelings alone?
Well, be prepared. My best work is coming up. Once you crash and burn upon it, I'll know for certain I have the superior mind.
Cette porte a de la misère à ouvrir en plus.
I'll admit, your continued survival has been unnerving. But I shan't be undermined by dumb luck. In this room, you must get through the maze before my legion of traps renders your body into a jump scare for future clientele.
Ok.
Je descends ou tu descends? Droit. Ouais. Non, pas par là, pas par là. Ok, je pensais que les grilles de X, ça faisait bloquer aussi. Ah non, finalement non.
I think it's time we get
Oh!
While I'm delighted you've outpaced the bleeding rabble I've discarded in here, this show needs to stay on the
J'arriverai pas à temps.
Leona has the city, and I have no escape. Different scales, but the results the same.
Il y a un écho dans la place. Il y a des échos. Retourne de bord. Il y a un écho derrière toi qu'on a skippé.
Je les connais pas.
Ouais. Je suis en bas, fait que...
That does not contain the solution to the maze. Don't bother listening to it. If you do, you will officially be a scoundrel, a charlatan, a fraudulent hustler from the trickster realm.
Est-ce qu'on l'écoute? Parce qu'il va falloir qu'on l'écoute pareil.
I'm fine with that.
Est-ce que je le ramasse ou pas? Est-ce que ça compte dans les échos? Ah non, non, attends, seul objet c'est un objectif, c'est pas un écho. L'écho est à 26, je me demande si ce serait pas dans la prochaine salle. Écoute-le un peu, c'est là devant toi.
Hello, Sharon. Just wanted to check in on your progress. You've been running in a square for some time now. I thought you should know that you've got about a minute left on the clock. So, plenty of time to get through the maze. But, well, it's just us pals hanging out and all that jazz. I just wanted to thank you. See, I had too much respect for the people of Kairos until I met you. When I made that advertisement for a no escape room, I thought it was heavy-handed. Why would anyone willingly trap themselves in a locked room? In a sewer? Do you know what you are?
The real deal.
The greatest rival I've ever faced.
Je trace pas le sol.
No part of me could have expected your incessant desire to undermine everything I've worked towards. Now, come. I've got a special something waiting for you. You! Right this way! Your prize awaits!
Qu'est-ce que je disais?
Oh, so we're throwing subtlety out and going full-on Gage lunatic.
I thought I'd finally found an equal in this irrelevant city. But you cheated. Alas, you didn't think I'd allow a disappointment like you to sully the no escape room, did you?
Oh, I see. This is a bit of an own goal on my end.
Oh, be a good ride.
Ici.
And do me a favor. No.
Oh, no. Where'd that pretty smile of yours go?
Well, what I meant to say was, congratulations! I've always been told that the No Escape Room's second best feature is its immersion.
You hurt a lot of people here. I suggest you start running away in 5, 4, 3...
No, don't say that. We could be partners. I'll even change the name. The Smiling Hunter. The Vaulted Man. Come. Let's get some fresh air outside and talk business.
Hold on. Are you sure that's the real way out?
What do you think I am, an idiot? I could get the exit to my own escape room.
Hey! contente de pas être allée.
To send you through this door. Don't forget to take a photo.
Ay, pendejo.
Ooh.
Go here next.
Je peux pas l'écouter, il est plus là.
I know I'll never forget something as basic as where the exit is, but better safe than, well, burning alive in my own fire trap. The correct door is on the left.
And I told him to.
Hein?
Quand il est rentré dans l'incinérateur, you sure it's the right door?
Arrête.
Okay, real talk. I kind of want to do that again.
On est parti beaucoup plus loin. Oh!
She's always on time.
See that? That's a little thing called mercury. Like in the Trident style.
Oh, really? That's it!
Oh, buddy! Hands are getting sweaty. Ándale, not so crazy now, huh?
Natural disaster, rapid sea trade, small hunters. Time is not romanticized life outside the city. And start
We need to make cutbacks.
Moi, je te dis qu'avec le temps qui reste, on va chercher le dernier écho et on retourne au bercail de notre aventure.
Il est fait, lui.
Hein?
C'est où ton écho? Tu veux aller chercher?
Ben on a un petit guide de l'arche, puis pas un écho, on a une capsule à ramener.
Ah, ok, ouais, aller chercher la capsule, puis faire le deadbolt en. Non, pas le deadbolt, juste faire la capsule, puis ramasser le guide.
Ouais. Je crois qu'elle est assez visible, hein? Il y a longtemps que j'avais pas vu cette face-là.
Citizens are reminded that important valuable technology wastes resources.
Now that I'm actually free, I've been asking myself why I want to be a Vault Hunter. You know, it's one thing to fantasize about being a treasure hunting killer when you're trapped in a 14-hour factory shift and just trying to mentally escape. But it's a whole other thing to actually do it. Because Vault hunting's not all loot and gun smoke, you know? It's exhausting. You've always got a target on your back. Something always wants to kill you. So why not just run somewhere safe and hide away? I'll tell you why. Because I've spent my whole life dreaming of freedom. Hiding out? That's not freedom. That's just another way of letting the timekeeper control me. No, the best way to show I'm free of that bastard is to do the one thing he hates most. Vault hunting. And I promise you, I'll keep at it until one of us is dead.
I made it out. I'm fine. I'm fine. But they have to be stopped.
Oh, il y a une mission.
What do I do?
I made this for you!
That shot at any distance!
Armament for the next generation? Get use of it now by turning it into the Order.
Ouais.
What was that experiment? What were they doing to us?
You gonna be okay, friend? Can you tell me your name?
Yeah. I'm Ted. And, I just escaped a research facility.
They're performing the most horrendous experiments in there.
People, animals, it doesn't matter. The things they did to me, the things they're doing now, they have to be stopped.
But I don't know what to do.
I can help you. Just let me know where the facility is.
It's underwater on the other side of the port area. There are order guards everywhere. I think they're looking for me. Here's the key card I used to get out. It should be able to get you back in.
Just be careful. Whatever they're doing down there is evil.
I will. And don't worry, Ted. I'll stop them.
La pépite. Non, pas ce soir.
The terminus sector of Dominion is in pristine condition. Let's keep it that way. Vandals, taggers, looters, and street musicians are subject to prison time.
Loot world. A little crunchy on the outside, gooey loony deliciousness on the inside.
You're on the cutting edge now.
Yeah, try to not cut it in half.
J'essaie de le faire taire comme ça. Il va arrêter de brailler. À cause que j'étais invisible, je la voyais même plus dans ma main pendant une fraction de seconde. J'étais comme, eh où?
Instead of unproductive practices like religion and ritual, try getting back to work. Work. It's all you ever need to do.
Oh non. Je dois l'essayer. J'ai lui qui est collant. J'ai lui qui est collant. J'ai lui qui est collant. Il me montre que je suis le gun c'est
Charm.
un torgue. Avec un chargeur de déconnecté, l'arme se charge puis tire en automatique. Le second tire des projectiles collants qui explosent, recharge et change le mode et augmente les explosions.
I should charge more.
Bonjour.
Guess this stuff didn't do them much
Let
good,
cultural
huh?
differences stop you from settling into city life. Stop having a culture. After all, it's against the law.
Oh, ouais, on a quand même bien avancé aujourd'hui. Au moins, on a fini un secteur au complet. On a quand même fait une petite partie dans le nouveau. Oh mon dieu, on a 14 échos à trouver.
On a quasiment la moitié de trouvé déjà.
Je sais. 14, on a un coffre-fort, on a 2 symboles de l'arche, on est Evocarium. On a toujours la... Oh, on a un bunker ce coup-ci, on peut le faire lui. C'est pas une mine, c'est un bunker. Ah, fait longtemps qu'on n'avait pas fait en plus.
Puis dernière section, t'as juste une safe house. Avec plein d'autres arbres.
Ouais. Ça doit être la dernière section avant d'aller attaquer le boss. Oh. Non mais j'ai l'impression qu'il me stocke. Fait 2 fois je sors de mon inventaire puis il me regarde avec sa face de psychopathe. Pour moi, ça va être tout. Donc,
Altering your vault is one of the
le
highest
stockage.
crimes against our society.
Ouais, on est au même point, mais on n'a plus rien.
Un escape room, ça donne un skin pour le véhicule.
Un skin pour le véhicule.
Ouais.
C'est quoi le nom?
Eternal Defender. Défense éternelle, le truc de...
Eternally watchful. Fine. Don't want to talk
Au
anyway.
centre, juste au-dessus de ça que tu... ça que c'est plein de triangles dorés.
Ouais, non. 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 Seulement pas. Ça battra pas ma belle. Donc on se dit à la prochaine. Ciao ciao.
Salut.
We're never getting out of here.
Beware of unbolted citizens at all times, while remaining aware that Dominion is safe from Rippers. Always.
I am guarded. I am unguarded.
Gonna end it here. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.